altitude a little bit.
I'll be fine.
So fire department, and EMS, how are you planning to get me off from the side of this hill?
You're probably gonna have to jump out, my friend.
But I'm gonna die. I'm at low health.
It's either you jump out or I shoot you.
Are you inside your car?
Uh-huh. I'm
Well, I
inside
got 2 people rescued.
It's either you jump out or I shoot you.
If you shoot me, that'd be terrible. How do you guys get me out of this?
Do you think you get him, Merlin?
Wait, Jayhawk, lower, go down lower.
I don't know.
Tiger, I'm already shooting at your wheels.
Copy. We're just gonna put you out of your misery.
Hold on.
Tiger, jump.
Hold on, go down more.
Jump. You have one choice. Jump. Risk it.
I want to see what it's like to see a helicopter upside down.
You have to risk it to get the biscuit.
But if I jump, I'll die.
You have to risk it to get the biscuit.
Why is the Jayhawk upside down on my right side?
Because you're upside down! And you decided to drive the CV.
Maybe it'll glitch you if,
Oh, rip,
Okay, now you're code 3. Is this gonna help?
No, you're 3.
Smarty, where are you?
I'm on the shore.
If I jump, I'm gonna die. Wait, go down lower. Maybe I can jump into the helicopter before I go.
Smarty, do you need rescue?
Mama, what do you need? I'm on the shore.
Jayhawk, go lower.
I'm just wondering. Don't shoot at him!
Oh! Oh! The Jayhawk's road. I'm sliding!
Noah just
I'm
jumped.
sliding!
Noah just jumped off of something.
Wait, hang on. Get the medevac over here.
Fine.
Get the medevac over here. I have a plan.
Screw him. If he didn't want to be in the helicopter, he's not getting rescued again. I consider that suicide.
Hey, medevac, go down the hill a little bit. I'm gonna slide off and see if I can't jump into the heli. Stop shooting at the vehicle!
Smarty.
Crap!
You need to jump.
No, let the other medevac do it, the little bird. That one can get really close in.
Alright, we're trying.
How do you get yourself into these type of situations, Tiger?
I'm the best RPer possible.
No, you're not.
Medevac to your left side. To your left side. Put the tail rotor the other way. Tail rotor the other way.
Our left or your left?
Okay, now go down, like, down the boat more. Is it unlocked?
Yes.
Go forward more. Make it dead center in the middle. Okay, more.
It's gonna work.
Right there. Right there. Are you guys ready?
Hold up. Let me get the camera. Make sure while you're at it, do a backflip.
Alright, ready? I'm coming to- wait, go back a little bit. You're not in dead center middle. A little bit more.
I'm waiting for him to just miss.
Forward, you need to go back more.
A little bit more. A little bit more. Right, oh, too far. Right there.
Go. Here's a platform, let's go!
I'm stuck on top. Oh! I got in! I got in! Yeah!
We got him! Oh,
We got one out. Medevac 1 is transporting +2 to the hospital.
+1, because the other one jumped
+1 to the hospital.
Transport, get the bodies.
I got that on recording too!
I got that on recording as well. We need to post that to the forums.
Hey Smarty, can you take me to my car at the top?
Yeah, get in.
EMS with a successful rescue.
Frequency 2.
This is why we have EMS.
Oh my god!
I'm going to definitely send this video to Chrissy.
10 out of 10.
Chrissy and Rattler. You guys both need, all 3 of you guys need promotions.
Yeah.
I just got the promotion.
You need another one. I need medical attention.
Jesus Christ, llama.
Ugh.
Okay,
I
it's
need
okay.
I need medical attention. Help! I'm traumatized. I have my post-traumatic stress. Help!
Moving, and maybe I'll do it. Here, crawl to me. Crawl to me.
Mama, help me! Are you healing me?
Yes, I am. No, I'm making spaghetti.
While you're doing this, get one of your officers down here for transport.
I think
That
I'm...
video needs
Actually,
to
do you want us to just take you back to PD?
Please.
No, no problem.
Tiger, why do you do this to yourself?
Please. Oh my god.
Alright, I know you're above me, and I know that you're internal affairs, but you're Crown Victoria band.
Yeah, I'm gonna agree to that.
You're Crown Victoria band. If I see you in the Crown Victoria again, I'm gonna go up to Foster and say, tell Cryer to get out of the Crown Victoria. He's gonna go on the side clips again.
Alright, let's go. This is going on the forums, boys. This is in 1080p, 60 FPS.
Merlin, we'll meet you back.
Wait, no, get Merlin in here. Oh, never mind.
This is Jayhawk.
I can't afford a Jayhawk right now.
That was beautiful, Kiger.
Alright, when you guys land at PD, I need both of your guys' numbers.
I kind of crashed my
Wait,
car.
SID numbers?
Yeah,
Okay.
bottom right.
32.
I'm by the airfield.
32? Okay, let's see. Llama, what's
I'm
yours?
on my side.
33.
32 and 33, alright.
So you know the road where you head towards the entrance of the
Let me
airfield?
ask Merlin what his
Well, I flipped off the edge, and I'm like, if my car
You need
keeps
to send
sliding,
numbers.
it'll go into the water.
For payment,
Anyone want to help?
I'm gonna pay you guys extra for what you guys did.
I gotta go put away my plane.
I'm gonna go ahead and pay you guys some cash monies for that rescue. My
Be
car
right
is
back.
still down there too.
And my
Merlin is
rescue's there, I found
56.
You should mark it before you leave so we can find it.
Alright, successful rescue of the Cicada EMS, ending GoPro video now.
Stuff.